Berco track idler groups are manufactured for superior wear resistance. Whether cast, forged, or fabricated, Berco idlers provide superior structural support. Berco offers a complete variety of idler groups to meet your work environment requirements. Special heat treatment ensure proper hardness level, providing long wear resistance. Berco duocone seal groups ensure lifetime lubrication, eliminating idler maintenance and reducing operating costs. Heavy-duty ring-rolled rail rims. Low alloyed boron steels with certified hardenability based on Berco's specification. Induction hardened rail surface diameter. High tread surface hardness. Minimum hardened depth 8 mm. Tempered to resist cracking and chipping. Idlers can be supplied alone or fully assembled with brackets, adjuster, and tensioning device. Precision design and accurately machined for proper fit, higher reliability, and longer life.